Hey guys, this is Alex or Fuzzy from Fuzzy's Woodworking, and we're taking a look at this van that I built. It's named Oppa. It's a family van, so it seats and sleeps four. It has a fully off-grid system, so it has a rear battery bank, rear water storage, a hot water heater, and everything else. On the exterior, you can see these bunk windows that we have installed, the awning that runs the length of the van that can be opened. It also has a roof rack that runs the whole top, one with solar panels, a max fan in the back, and a rooftop AC, all powered by the rear battery bank. It all sits inside a 2023 all-wheel drive diesel Sprinter. And now that we've covered that, let's take a closer look inside. So on the driver's side, as we walk in, you can see the bunk beds. They're 22 by 54 inches. And then in the back, we have this bench seating that can be converted into the bed. We also have this nice sink along with this cutting board that, oh, hold on. There, clean that. All right, well, while that dries, we're going to take a look at the rear bench. This is on the passenger side. This is where the main water control is. You see your little gauge to tell you how much water is left in the 30-gallon water tank. We have our cassette toilet back here as well. You have your inlet going in with the filter along with your rear hot and cold shower unit that goes directly into your 4-gallon electrical water heater. Inside the van we have rooftop cabinets that run either side of the van, so there's plenty of storage for different things. You also have your 12-volt fridge that can hold a good amount of food for 4 people for a couple of days. You have drawers for knickknacks right above it, or the silverware. You also have drawers underneath the bunk beds, which are where we put our pots and pans along with the induction cooker. And then all these drawers have clips so they don't slide open while you're driving or hitting a turn. And then on this bottom one, we also just keep the bedding and linens and stuff like that for the bed, for the rear bed, so that way when we open the bed, it's all right there and easily accessible. Now onto the electrical system. We have a 400 amp hour Battleborn battery system along with a Victron brain. All of it can be controlled inside this upper head cabinet that you see me working, along with the AC control. So your individual appliances like outlets, heavier draw items like the water heater and the AC are all controlled individually, much like a boat. And as you can see, this rooftop AC is controlled by a remote. It's all temperature controlled, and the compressor actually cycles on and off, so that way it doesn't consistently draw power all the time. So even in the Florida summer heat, it can stay on at 78 degrees for roughly 7 hours or so. And then in the back, we have more storage up top and these wonderful little bunk windows that add a lot of visual space, quote unquote. You can see outside while you're sitting back here. And then even better, they have screens on them, so when you open them, keep the bugs out and still let fresh air in. And along with this max fan, you're able to pull in a good amount of air to cool everything off in a hurry without letting any bugs in. And now that we went over everything else in here, let's take a look at how easy it is to set up the rear bed. And to set up the bed, all you need to do is lift up the bench and you'll have access to these plywood pieces that you see me pulling out. And then they sit across, not like that. There we go. Okay. So they sit across like this, and that supports the bed. And so when you pull the cushions towards the middle, it creates the full 67 inches by 74 inch bed. Which again is more than enough space for 2 people. And as you can see, it is a tight fit, but everything goes in very easily and makes for a comfortable sleeping area at night. Now that we have the bed all set up, let's take a look at the van at night. As you can see, it's perfectly dark, allowing a great deal of privacy for anybody inside the van, even with all of the lights on, as we see right here. There isn't any light getting out. You have a blackout curtain in the back and offers a great deal of privacy for anybody inside. To control the lights, you have a dimmable switch for the puck lights on the roof that run up and down the van interior. These are completely dimmable, as you see, and they can be turned on and off here. You also have an LED strip that runs the passenger side roof cabinets. That's all customizable, even down to different colors and whatnot. And then in the back, you have these 2 reading lights that are also adjustable. as you can see, with all these different options, allows you to create a really cozy atmosphere to sleep in here and out. And then on the exterior, we have some patio lighting that I put in so that way when you get to a campsite at night, let's say you get there late, you're able to set everything up and not be worrying about finding your flashlight or your headlight or anything else, and it just makes life a lot easier. And for those that don't know, this van is for sale. It's also available to rent in case you wanted to try van life before you bought into it. It's all available on fuzzieswoodworking.com or on our Instagram, which is at fuzzieswoodworking, or our YouTube channel, which is also just Fuzzies Woodworking. Go for it. Anyways, if you've watched this far, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe and share the video so that way we can keep growing and I can keep building these tiny home on wheels. Thank you again.